This is Miss Tracy from my cheery children in Africa, and I want to review with you lattice. That's the method of multiplication that I have started to teach you. The lattice method of multiplication. I'm going to take just some simple numbers to begin with, just for review. So we have a 3 by 1 multiplication problem. This is how it's written in your books. Now we're going to lay it out in lattice. The number that I'm multiplying by the number. Okay, I'm going to make these into boxes by place values. Okay, my ones, tens, hundreds. And I'm also going to divide these boxes in half this way to show my ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. So that now all we do is say our facts. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 8 is 32. And now we're going to just add down. 0, 2 and the 4 make 6. The 2 and the 2 make 4. Bring your 3 down. 3,416. Okay. Nice, simple way to do that. All I did was my facts. I didn't have to worry about crossing over or adding or anything like that. Let's try this one. Okay, here we have 767 by 6. 7, 6, 7 by 6. Okay. Okay. Hundreds, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. Okay. Give you a minute so that yours looks like this one. And now let's do our facts. 7 times 6, 42. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, we already know that's 42. Okay, now let's add down. 2, 4, 6, 10. 10. To put that over here so that I have 4 and 2 is 6 and 4. Okay. 4,602. Remember what we call this? We call this the lattice. Lattice method. Okay, let's do one that's a little bit harder. Okay. Now we have 3 by 2. But we set it up the same way. We still take the 4, 9, and 6. Doesn't change any, except going down, we have 34, which means we've got to cut here and here. That's the only change. We're still going to go and separate our ones, tens, hundreds. And then we have to be careful, this is the tricky one. Start here and then go here, here, here. Okay, so that we're cutting each of those squares into halves. And now we multiply. We're going to do the 3 first, so we forget about this bottom piece. So 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. And 3 times 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. Now we'll skip down here and say 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, so we filled it out the same as we did the earlier ones. We just had to do it twice because we had 2 numbers. Now we're going to add. We have 4. We have 8, 2 is 10, and 6 is 16. I'm going to add that one here. So that's 2 and 7 is 9. 2 is 12. And 6 is 18. Up here, 1, that's 3. 5. 1 is 6. And 1. 16,864. Okay. And that's the lattice method. And in the second video that I show you, we'll do some larger numbers to show you just exactly why it's so much easier to learn the lattice method. Till then, take care. This is Miss Tracy saying goodbye.